Hi there, my name is Mobi, and in today's video, we'll be talking about smart contract penetration testing. So before we proceed, what are smart contracts? So smart contracts are basically self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions, which are written in code. They run on the blockchain and are automatically executed when certain predefined conditions are met. So what is smart contract penetration testing, and why are they important? Smart contract penetration testing is a form of security assessment aimed at identifying vulnerabilities and weaknesses in smart contracts which are deployed on the blockchain networks. So it offers a myriad of ways to examine and inspect smart contract code to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses so as to fortify against potential exploits and safeguard the integrity of blockchain networks. These processes follow a step-by-step process which is aimed at scrutinizing and examining the logic and the code on which smart contracts are written and on which the Web3 and the blockchain run. So it aims at identifying weaknesses and vulnerabilities in order to fix them before potential hacks or damages are done. So why are smart contracts penetration testing important? So smart contract penetration testing is very important because they help identify vulnerabilities in smart contract code, which are then addressed before hackers get to use them against your blockchain network or your blockchain company or your blockchain service or blockchain product. So, what are the common vulnerabilities that can be identified using penetration testing? The common vulnerabilities that can be identified with penetration testing include reentrancy attacks, integer overflow or underflow, unchecked external calls, access control issues, and logic flaws. So being able to identify these errors and vulnerabilities would help you prevent loss of funds, loss of user data, um, a whole lot of hacks that could happen or exploits that could be made on your system if these are not identified. So what are the steps that are involved in smart contract penetration testing? So first step is to prepare. You have to understand the contract functionality, the requirements, and the potential attack vectors. So the second thing is to build a threat model, right? So you have to build and identify potential threats and attack scenarios based on smart contracts design and architecture. Then after this, you have to run your vulnerability assessments to analyze the smart contract code for common vulnerabilities using automated tools and manual code review. Next is the exploitation process. You have to attempt to exploit these identified vulnerabilities so that you can gain unauthorized access or manipulate the contract behavior. After that, you have to report this issue, then document your findings, identify potential vulnerabilities, their impact, and recommend remediation measures or solutions to these vulnerabilities. Then after this stage, you have to final stage and the final note to do is the remediation process. You have to work with developers and coders and programmers to address these identified vulnerabilities to improve the security of the entire smart contract code. There are various tools that can be used for smart contract penetration testing. Such tools include MateX, Securify, Slither, and Oriente. So developers and smart contract auditors use these tools to identify vulnerabilities, bugs, and weaknesses in smart contract systems and then go ahead to fix them, right? Before it ends up costing the business or the project lots of money. So that's it about smart contract penetration testing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.